Hello everyone. In this session we will learn how to create or how to define a new product class into Cadec Plus. For that first we have to add in Cadec Plus into SolidWorks. For that we will just go to add in folders. We will select this Cadec Works from here, click on OK. Now we will just right click here. You can see that Cadec Works is available here. You just click on this one. This Cadec icons bar is available now. For browsing or creating new product class, we will just click on this product class icon. It will ask you to select product class. Now since we are going to create a new product class, we will browse the master model assembly from here. Just click on class. It will navigate you. From here I will just browse the conveyor frame assembly. I will just select this conveyor and click on OK. Once I browse that, click on OK. It will ask you, since we are going to create a new product class, it will ask you that configuration database for assembly or part does not exist. Do you want to create new one? Yes, we want to create new one. So I will just click on OK. It will ask the default toolbox part. Now you can see that our assembly is open now. This is our new assembly here. So this was the first way how to create or how to define new. We have another way also to create or define new product class. Is that the another way to define a new product class is that just open your assembly to which you want to define as a product class. I will just open this same assembly from here. You can see that conveyor. I will just open this assembly. Open. The assembly is open. Now when assembly is fully open, just click on this. You can see that there is a Cadec Works tab is available on command manager. You just go to the crawl and click on crawl. As you click on crawl, one pop-up appears which is saying configuration database for assembly is not exist. So you do want to create new one? Yes, we want to create one, and I will click this one, and this will extract the new whole component assembly. It will give you the list of component available in assembly. So you can see that from here we can gather all the information of Cadec Works and of all the information of assembly into Cadec Works. What it does, it crawl does go to the assembly from all the levels, from main assembly to sub-assembly, sub-assembly to the parts, parts to the feature, feature to the parameters and dimensions, and it collects all the information of the model or assembly into the Cadec and save it. Here you can see that we have got one Windows. This is log component Windows. What it does, if you don't want to modify any component or you don't want to configure some of the component or parameters, you can lock that from here, and Cadec will not gather or collect the information from that particular part. So for that, once you have defined like that, I don't want information of this side assembly second part, so I will just select that one. I will just click on OK. Once I click on OK, it will take a little time and it will collect all the informations. You can see that it's giving a process message where it's giving that which component it's capturing. Okay, once it runs through all the component and collects all the information about, you can see that it's updating the database of Cadec Plus, and it will say once the Cadec will crawl all the information, or you can see that that all of the component got suppressed automatically. So now Cadec have imported all the information from that. So next step will be the defining the geometries variation and size variation, and we will see it into the next session. Thank you.